One failure is bad enough, but multiple failures are far worse. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about how to manage multiple failures as part of the RCM process, all in just 2 minutes. Managing hidden failure modes is one of the key aspects of the RCM process. I've spoken about failure modes and I've spoken about hidden failures separately in previous videos. So you might want to go and have a look at those if you're not quite sure what those are. If the occurrence of a single failure in a system is hidden, a multiple failure analysis is required. That means we can't just think of the component on its own, it has to be connected to other ones. For example, if we have one pump on its own and it fails, it is evident because if it's not working, we can see the consequences. But if we have two parallel pumps running and either of them can provide enough flow if one of them fails, we might not know because the system is going to keep producing what we think it needs to produce and the other failure is hidden. We can't immediately see the consequence. But the second one's there for a reason. We designed it in for a purpose. It's important. And we can't just have them both fail at the same time. We're now vulnerable because we have lost our safety redundancy. Both pumps then are potentially critical because they have the potential to result in a consequence we don't want if they both fail. That means that multiple failure analysis helps us manage this risk. The reason there are two pumps is because a single failure design is not acceptable. There is a false sense of security assuming you have two pumps and you're covered. You might not be, so analyze what might happen if multiple failure occurs. Thank you for watching. There's loads more in this series. If you've missed them, please subscribe so you don't miss any future ones, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.